You won't believe what happened to us doing this kayaking trip from hell. Stay tuned. Welcome back, family. It's Pierre from the Howard's Adventures, back with another fantastic adventure. Well, welcome to the pristine waters of San Juan, Puerto Rico. Today we are in Condado Lagoon, and we're going to go out and have a day of kayaking. Let's see how our day turned out. Let's see if we see any manatee. Let's check out the tall buildings in the back landscape, just like you see right there before you. So, without further ado, let's go. Here are a couple mangroves right here. And these paddle boards, I wasn't sure if I was going to do a stand-up paddle board or a kayak. But because of these high winds today, I decided for the kayak. Chris is out there to my right, and this is Chris's first time ever kayaking. So don't judge him, everybody. He's learning, and we're here to have a fun day. Directly to my front is where we plan on going. There's a nice beach over there that we're gonna hang out at. I think Selena forgot that the strongest kayaker is supposed to be in the back. But, you know, gotta let her do what she do. Let us know where your favorite kayak spot is, whether it's here in Puerto Rico or somewhere else. We're out here. I think Selena is gonna work Chris to death. I knew I wanted to get in a kayak by myself. Out here on this gorgeous day, out in the lagoon. There are actually manatee out here. Hopefully we'll get a chance to see one or two today. This is called Condado area right now here. Took off. Have finally reached the beach area where we're gonna sit and chill just like this. Two paddle boarders right here are struggling. As you can see, the current is very strong right here. This is where three entrance ways of waters meet at. So it's all trying to pull them up under that bridge. And we sit here and watch these guys for about 30 minutes. Trying to get somewhere, and they actually got nowhere. This area to the left of the bridge is Old San Juan, and this area on that side of the bridge is Condado. Up under that bridge to the front will take you to the Atlantic Ocean, and up under that bridge to the left right there will take you to Old San Juan Bay. And the current is really tough. Packing up because the current is getting stronger and we don't want Chris and Selena to be stuck out there.
Go ahead and get in, I'll push y'all off. Y'all go out. Hey, when y'all go out, look at me. Go that way. Don't go out that way. Then when you get halfway, then you can cut across. Alright, y'all ready? Stay over on this side. Hold here.
And look to your right, there's a storm coming in, and it's coming in fast. I sure hope we get across to the other side.
Paddle, don't stop because you're gonna drift backwards. Selena, that way. Paddle with your right side, the right side.
It's coming up fast, y'all. I hope we can get out of this thing before it comes down hard.
All right, keep on going. Keep the nose going that way so you can get out of the wind.
Oh boy, here he comes. Let's get ready to start up.
I'm gonna push y'all, so once we get to that other side, you'll be out of the wind. To the left, left, left. I don't know if we're gonna make it, y'all.
Do those buttons, like, share, subscribe, and get notified.
Almost there. I'm gonna push you some. Until next time, see if you made it, y'all.